This is First Alert Weather.
All right, we're in the grain car this morning and with cloudy skies on our Palmer Log Group Road to Skinnex. May have a few areas that are getting patchy drizzle, but measurable rainfall is not expected for today with dry conditions before more rain returns by tomorrow. 45 degrees right now in Topeka with winds at 15 miles per hour. It's a little bit of a breeze early this morning. The winds will gradually be weakening as the day progresses. Low to mid 40s right now temperature wise with wind chills in the 30s for several spots. 38 Topeka and Emporia, 35 in Council Grove, 34 degrees in Marysville. Temperatures out to the west are even cooler and more in the 30s. 36 right now in Goodland. In fact, there's a freeze warning in effect for the western portions of Kansas right now. And temperatures across the region even cooler further off to the north and west. Even 26 in Alliance and 30s up in the Dakotas. So been on the cool side behind a cold front that came through, and out ahead of it, temperatures still in the 60s in Little Rock and Memphis. And that's where the warmer temperatures are going to be in the 70s and 80s, where it's here in much of the middle part of the country. Temperatures will be in the 50s and near 60, a little bit warmer and more in the mid to upper 60s further down to the south, but well below average for this time of year for much of the middle part of the country, even by about 10 to 15 degrees. So it is definitely going to be another cool day today. Even it will be warmer than yesterday afternoon, where temperatures stayed cool in more in the low 50s for several spots yesterday afternoon. So at least that's the good news, but still staying below average for this time of year. So we continue to be underneath this unseasonably cool air mass really for the rest of the work week. But then as we head towards Saturday, we start to get that cooler air to work its way farther to the east. And then we start to usher in some of the warmer air as we head towards the weekend. And then as we head towards next week, you can see a lot of orange showing up. That indicates unseasonably mild temperatures will be returning to the area as we head into much of next week. In fact, I would even not be surprised if some spots got close to, if not reaching the 90-degree mark at any point in time from Sunday through early next week. Maybe a little bit better chance by Monday and Tuesday, but definitely something that we'll be keeping an eye on with warmer weather on the way. But until then, unfortunately, it's going to stay a bit on the cool side for the rest of the work week. There's our first storm system with the rain that came through yesterday, pushing off to the east. We're dry and cloudy here in Kansas right now, but here comes our next storm system that's spinning out towards the Rockies, and that is going to be heading our way for tomorrow. Now, we'll start off tomorrow morning dry. I don't think we'll be this clear tomorrow morning, but even if we are, clouds will quickly increase again and rain will be with us, especially as we head into the afternoon. This model is not great in indicating a whole lot of rain in the afternoon, so we'll keep an eye on what our chances are for tomorrow. But bottom line is I think we'll have a little bit better chance of more widespread rain as we head towards Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. And then on Thursday itself, we'll have a better chance coming into the afternoon hours once again. For Thursday evening, that rain continues and then it pushes off to the north and east late Thursday night, leaving us with mostly dry conditions on Friday. I think lightning and locally heavy rainfall are going to be a primary hazard. Severe weather threat tomorrow will stay just to the south of our viewing area with that marginal risk, with another high impact day potentially in Oklahoma once again for tomorrow, and then marginal risk for the eastern portions of our viewing area as we head towards Thursday. So very, very low risk for any hail or wind threats that we'll have for the storm chances we'll have for Wednesday and Thursday. And then as we head towards the end of the week, we gradually start to warm up close to 70 on Friday, in the 70s on Saturday, and then 80s by Sunday.